Hello from Seoul. Not every ramen has to be that complicated. This is super quick and easy to make, but one of the best ramen you will ever have. I guarantee it. Today, we're gonna be making tantanmen, one of the most popular Japanese ramen. But during those hot summer days, I think nobody wants to stand over a hot stove just to make a broth, right? So today, we're gonna make a soupless version called Tsuyunashi Tantanmen. Nice chewy noodles toasted in a creamy sesame sauce and a spicy pork topping will totally blow your mind. So buckle up! For this, you will need some ground pork, green onion, garlic, ginger, and ramen noodles. So simple, right? But for a prettier presentation, let's get some baby bok choy and a soft boiled egg. Trust me, these bad boys will make it even more gorgeous than the restaurants. Today, I'm using ramen noodles because Soupless TANTANMEN is a type of ramen. But if you can't get these, you can simply replace it with any kind of Asian with noodles. So just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, let's prepare our vegetables. First, thinly slice some green onions. Like I always say, more green onion, more delicious. So please be super generous with this. And the whites are gonna be used to infuse our oil and the greens are gonna be used for our garnish. So make sure you keep them separately, like this. Next, smash 2 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Once that's done, grate a small knob of ginger. About half a teaspoon will be enough. I think I told you this literally 1,000 times, so I was not gonna say this, but pork and ginger, they are a match made in heaven. Seriously, this small amount of ginger will bring it up to the next level. Just like Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku bring joy to your doorstep. Tokyo Treat is a monthly snack subscription box straight from Japan. It's filled with up to 20 of the latest and most exclusive snacks that are only available in Japan. For example, if you open the box, you can see some limited edition or seasonal flavored Japanese snacks. And this month's theme is Moon Festival Snacking, where you can experience the best Japanese flavors like Kit Kat chestnut, Japanese mikan orange juice, pickled daikon potato chips, and many more. You're looking for some traditional snacks? Don't worry about it. With Sakuraku, you will get local and authentic Japanese snacks from artisan snack makers, including Japanese hot tomugi tea and special Japanese tableware tsukimi dish. And this month's theme is Autumn Moon Festival, and you will find delightful Moon Festival snacks like full moon cookies, usagi marshmallow, and strawberry white chocolate. What? You're kinda worried about getting local snacks because of the language, ingredients, or allergens? Don't worry about it. Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku provide a booklet in the box. It contains all the information about the snacks, snack makers, and even interesting cultural stories about Japan. If you're interested in experiencing Japan for yourself, go to the link in my description and use my code ANC. You will get $5 off your first order. You wanna experience the real Japan? Wherever you are, Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku will be with you. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Tokyo Treat and Sakuraku. Lastly, take 2 baby bok choy and cut them in half or quarters lengthwise. If you can get this bad boy, you could also use spinach because in Japan, it's also a popular topping for ramen. So again, even if you don't have 1 or 2 ingredients, that's alright. You don't have to worry about it. Just get creative with what you have. Everything will be fantastic. This time, let's make a sauce for our meat topping. In a small container, add 1 tablespoon of Chinese chili bean paste, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, some black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn flavored oil, and give it a good mix. What? You don't have this Sichuan peppercorn flavored oil? That's okay. You can simply add ground Sichuan peppercorn, about half a teaspoon. Now let's make the sauce for our noodles. In another container, add 2.5 tablespoons of Japanese sesame paste or tahini, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half a teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn flavored oil, a pinch of hondashi, and give it a good mix. Trust me, this small amount of dashi powder will give you the iconic Japanese flavor that you're looking for. For information, if you're cooking for your kids, I suggest not using mirin and sake. Since we're not gonna boil this sauce, the alcohol will still remain in the sauce. Lastly, add a quarter cup of hot water and stir it. That's it. So simple, right? It may seem like a lot of ingredients, but as long as you have some basic ingredients for Asian cooking, making tantanmen at home is not difficult at all. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. In a wok or pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the white parts of the green onions, garlic, and ginger and stir them around for about 1 minute. Once they start to smell real nice, add 200 grams of ground pork and cook for about 3 minutes. When the pork is cooked, pour in our sauce that we made earlier and stir them around for about 2 to 3 minutes. During the time, all the good flavor will come together and create an amazing flavor. Once you can see some chili oil here and there and the pork is cooked through, remove it from the heat. Now get yourself another pot with some water and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add in your baby bok choy and blanch it for about 1 minute. When time's up, take them out and set them aside. Now in the same water, cook your noodles according to the package instructions. When they're done cooking, take them out and shake off the excess water. Alright, we're almost there. Let's put them in a bowl and pour the sauce we made. And then just mix everything together until the noodles are completely coated. While mixing it, it's really hard to resist this amazing aroma, but once you put it in your mouth, you can't stop eating it, so please hang in there, it's almost done. Alright, it's time to plate. Let's put half of the noodles in a serving bowl and add a generous amount of our meat topping. And then place some baby bok choy, green onion, and a soft boiled egg. Last but not least, I'm gonna put some pickled ginger for a prettier presentation. How does it look? It looks absolutely gorgeous, right? Alright, let's call our taste tester. Claire.
색감의 대조가 예술이네. 엄청 화려하다. 맛있어 보여. I love anything made with sesame paste or peanut butter. So I think it's gonna be totally my type of thing. Let's give it a try. 자, 한번 섞어볼까? 시간이 좀 지나가지고 면들이 살짝 떡이 졌다. 그만큼 소스를 더 잔뜩 흡수했을 것 같아서 맛있을 것 같아. 예! 간다. Cheers! 와우! 진짜 맛있다. 와! 잠깐만 좀 더 크게 먹어야 될 것 같아. 와! 어마무시하구만. 내가 예상한 것처럼 이 면이 소스를 잔뜩 빨아당겨가지고 먹는 순간 입에 그 고소한 세사미 페이스트의 향이 향긋하게 쫙 퍼져. 근데 그 고소하고 크리미한 세사미 페이스트 그 사이사이에 시차 페퍼콘 오일의 그 향이 잘 스며들어 있어가지고 너무 향긋하니 맛있네. 진짜 국물만 없을 뿐이지 그 탄탄맨의 맛이 나. 좀 더 많이 응축된 그런 느낌? 좋아 좋아. 난 알았어. 이게 완전 내 스타일일 줄. 통째로 또 싸먹어봐야지. 뭐지 막지 뭐 있나? 갑니다. 맛있네. 먹고 싶다고?
Today, I showed you how to make Soupless TANTANMEN. How was it? It looks really simple and delicious, right? I know making ramen at home sounds very intimidating, but not every ramen has to be that complicated. And just because it's quick and easy to make, it doesn't mean it's not tasty. So please give it a try this weekend. Trust me, that 15 minutes you invested on this will totally be worth it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.